Kale niam bashi sin chisnem jang ka hima khairim ka balane bun sngi bun mit kala kut no menta ka sngi da ka phur ka siang ka shat ka kemen hakmat ka ying sat hasmin ringkat ka jingkan ut ki sur tangmuri ka bom ka ksing hakmat ki khun ki hajar ki balawan na kaleng ki raj bat ki shnang jang ni ka hima upa em balajit sing sim ka sim sat bat baro ki bakra batri jang ni ka hima ki lalong ki pedeng jang kale niam bat ka knya ka kriam hau play nong bu nong thau bat ka blay long sim man sim lepun kut yakni kale niam de ki jing shat ka thesati bat ki rang masti bakin sai kibelawan poin na keleng ki shnang hapo jangani kahima de ki phaw hajar ngot ki pat ba ki la tu chasmit ban sakhi kemen ya kani ka phur ka siang ba pau nam jangani ka jalla umintri rangba ukan rat ki sang ma rangkat padu speaker jang Meghalaya ba met ba lingdo rangkat pa ki babun ki mintri ka sarkar jalla kila sakhi ya kani ka sngi kut jang ka Shad Nongkrem.
In the long run, we have sanctioned 2 crores in the first phase, and I've handed over the sanction letter to our prime and of Kairim, and at the same time, similarly for the Nongkrem festival also, we have improved the infrastructure in Gente Hills in July, and last time 4 crores was sanctioned for that. And similarly, even for the 100 Dums and the Wangala festival, I'll be announcing on the 12th some sanction for infrastructure development there. So these are the different programs and steps that are being taken, and we will continue to support. And I thank all the organizing committee members for inviting us and allowing us to be part of this wonderful celebration. And may we all be blessed through this entire celebration and this festivity. Thank you very much.